at that smirk.
And that smile.
Yeah. So if you're Gotti, you've been waiting 10 minutes in the ring for Floyd to enter. And then
You're
he comes
cold.
out cold, and then he comes and attacks you right away.
Floyd digging with that jab to the body. And we know that's one of his signature punches. I told you he was going to entertain him.
Yes, he is indeed. And he's like forcing the fans to yell at him.
He's looking right at you, Claudia.
Yes.
Because right behind us is the Gotti tree section with the hats and the shirts. That's who Floyd is looking at.
And this is the entertainment factor.
Oh, he's entertaining right away.
This is the entertainment factor, baby.
Opening round. A good one. What do we else see?
Let's go.
Mayweather smacks the hand of Gotti to start. I tell you were at the weigh-in yesterday. That attitude from Floyd was different. And now he's talking to Gotti.
Oh, yeah. Like I say, I know he was going to put on a show. And he's going to perform tonight. It's going to be, you might see anything tonight.
He's pointing it at the Gotti supporters. That's who he's looking at. And they're right behind us, and they're getting louder.
Let's see if Gotti got that hard. If he's a Gotti inside, we're going to see.
But he's just egging him on with that smile and smirk. Literally just putting his face right in front of Gotti, knowing you can't touch me.
Floyd slick still at this age. He see it all coming. He anticipated.
Seeing it come easy.
Work out. Come on, work out. Stop.
See right there, he don't even know it's coming.
Floyd just playing around.
Oh no, he closed his eyes and everything.
Yeah,
I didn't like that.
No. Earmuffs, that's it.
Watch the mouth.
Kenny, watch your mouth. Yeah. Kenny just for Hall of Fame weekend, now he's got the exhibition. Like, what the heck am I doing here?
This was supposed to be just
It was supposed to be.
a walk in the park. Nice. Did you see those reflexes?
Yeah. Good.
Oh, he's slick. He's still slick.
Falling into frustration. That's it. You clinched. Take care of it. You clinched. Mayweather's going to take care of it.
Okay, hold it.
Yeah, they roughhousing now. They roughhousing.
Well, that's what they told the corner guy.
That's it.
Oh, they can't stop.
That's it.
They can't stop.
He's going to stop up you.
That's it.
It's